What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. If you're ready to flip the stock market, smash up that like button. SPX6900, we've been covering in the Discord since about 60 cents. We're sitting at $1.18. Massive bounce today. Very strong project. Obviously, crypto Twitter is very bullish on SPX6900. So we're going to do a little technical analysis. We're sitting at $1.18. We're up 26% on the day, moving much faster than the majority of the market, which shows a lot of strength. We're currently sitting at market cap 1.1 billion. We're looking for in between a 50 to 100 billion. We're looking for a 50 to 100 billion market cap in the bull market, and we're sitting at a 24-hour volume of 77 million. So let me hop into the chart. With the chart I have here, this is on CoinX. I'm looking at a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. The larger wave count could be inaccurate due to previous price action. But based off what we have, we did put in a wave 2 pullback zone in the Discord. You can gain completely free access to my technical analysis, my daily analysis, and my trade signals if you stick around to the end of the video for free. So we did give a wave 2 pullback zone. So we have a wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback. We bounced from that zone in between 71 cents and $1.03. That's the wave 2 pullback. So if we do continue up from here, which decent chance we do looking at BTC, you can take a trend-based sweep extension from the bottom of that wave 1 up to the top to the bottom of wave 2, and you would target the 161.8. Currently sitting at $2.80. I do think we could get in between $50 to $70. Obviously, $100 per coin would be absolutely nutty, but you never really know with the amount of interest in SPX right now. I do think it will be the top meme coin of this cycle. If you agree with me, smash up that like button. If you want to see more videos on SPX, hit that like button as well. So that's what we're looking for in the short term. Push up in a wave 3 to about $2.80. Bounce from our wave 2 pullback zone. See continuation up into 345 to complete that larger wave 3 to the upside. All right, gang, that's what we're looking at for SPX. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, my daily crypto analysis, take 30 seconds and sign up to Bitfinex. You can trade and invest SPX6900 on Bitfinex. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America, but it is available worldwide. Now, when you deposit 1,000 USD into your futures account, you get a $200 bonus, but you do not have to do that to get access to my trading group. Take 30 seconds, sign up, send me an email, completely free access to my daily crypto analysis. As you can see, I set prime time to DCA under $1 yesterday, and it only spent 1 day under $1. So if you want completely free access to my daily crypto analysis for many coins, we're in 4 crypto trades right now. My Forex signals, one of our members is posting trade signals all day long as well. Completely free access. All you have to do is take that 30 seconds, sign up to Bitfinex, send me an email, and I'll send you the link. You can also see what I'm invested in when I'm taking my profits. You really can't beat it, guys. All links down below. Almost 3,000 members in the group. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.